Fix error code 390 on UmaMusume Pretty Derby. So to fix error code 390 on UmaMusume Pretty Derby, try downloading all sources from the title screen. So first, go ahead and download all game sources. So on the title screen, go ahead and press the menu button and then select download all sources. This ensures all game files are intact and up to date, which often resolves error 390. Second you can do is to go ahead and disable your VPN. So go ahead and check if you have VPN turned on. So open it and then click on disconnect to disconnect. Turn off any VPN or proxy services and try launching the game again. Now, third thing you can do is to check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Restart your router or switch networks if needed. Avoid public or restricted networks that may block game servers. And that is how you can basically fix error code 390 on UmaMusume Pretty Derby.